to use Claude Code for Laravel. So if you want to use Claude for Laravel, then what you need to do is first you just need something to go with your search and then search for PowerShell. After that, click on it, open the PowerShell, and you'll get this kind of interface. Once the PowerShell is open and navigate to your Laravel project directory, you will do this by typing a code cd space c colon backslash your project folder. Make sure to replace your project with the actual path of your Laravel project folder. If you do not have the Laravel installed yet, you will need to create a new project. For that, you need to enter this command, which is composer space create project space Laravel / Laravel my app, and hit this command. This will download Laravel and set up a new project in a folder named my app. After the installation completes, navigate to this new project by typing cd space my app and pressing at this point you are inside your Laravel application. Next, ensure that Claude Code is installed on your system. To check this, you need to type Claude hyphen and then version in PowerShell and then press the enter. If CLA code is correctly installed, you will see a version number in your terminal. If you receive a message stating that is not recognized, this indicates that the installation did not complete successfully and you will need to reinstall it. Once you've confirmed that Claude Code is installed, you'll need to log in. Type Claude login and press enter. This action will open up your default browser. Follow the prompts in your browser to log into your account. This login process only needs to be completed once. So after this step, you will not have to repeat it. Now you're ready to start using Claude Code within your Laravel folder. Make sure that you are still in your directory in your PowerShell. You need to type Claude and then press enter, and it will be functioning as expected. You should see the interactive mode open, indicating that Claude Code is now active and ready to use. At this stage, you can begin issuing commands to Claude Code. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.